Do you feel nervous using the subway in America? Today, Rosa will teach you real English for buying tickets, asking questions, and riding with confidence. Today, we're taking the subway downtown. First, let's go inside the station together. This is the subway station. You'll hear people also call it the metro or train station. Before riding, we need a ticket. Let's learn how to buy one in English. It's very easy in English. I say, "One ticket, please." That's a simple and polite sentence everyone understands. Now, repeat after me. "One ticket, please." Great! Say it one more time. Next, you may hear, "Where are you going?" That means, "What's your destination?" I answer, "I'm going downtown." Downtown means the busy city center. Downtown is a very common American word. You'll hear it almost every day. Great. Now I have my ticket. Let's walk to the platform together. The platform is where you wait for the train. Remember this useful word, platform. Our train is arriving now. Next, I'll teach you what to say before getting on the subway. Before you get on, let people get off first. It's polite and makes boarding easier. Now we can get on the train. Walk calmly and watch your step.
Ladies and passengers.
If you want to sit, ask, "Is this seat taken?" That's a polite question. If the answer is no, you can smile and say, "Thank you." Sometimes the train is crowded. Then it's better to stand and hold the handrail. Always hold the handrail when the train starts moving. It helps you stay balanced. Listen.
Next stop, Central Station.
The speaker says, "Next stop, Central Station." This is called an announcement. Repeat after me. Next stop. Excellent! Native speakers use this phrase every day. If you're unsure, ask, "Does this train stop at Times Square?"
Yes, it will stop at Times Square. Yes, it does.
The passenger says, "Yes, it does." That's a short and natural American answer. You can also ask, "How many stops are left?" That's very useful when you're traveling. Great job! Next, we'll practice these English sentences together like real subway riders. Let's practice together. Say, "One ticket, please." Nice! Now say it again with confidence. Now repeat. I'm going downtown. Speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, like an American. Your turn. Ask, "Is this seat taken?" Keep your voice friendly and polite. Excellent! Now say, "Does this train stop at Central Station?" You're doing great. One pronunciation tip. Say ticket with a soft American T. Listen, ticket. Another useful word is platform. Stress the first syllable. Platform. Try it with me. Fantastic! You're speaking real American English already. Keep practicing every day. Today you learned ticket, platform, downtown, announcement, and useful travel questions. Great work. Remember, short sentences help you speak with confidence. Don't worry about being perfect. Practice these expressions every time you travel. The more you speak, the easier English becomes. Next time, we'll learn English in Times Square. You won't want to miss it. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next English adventure.